Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is news for Windows 8 and also some news about Windows 9. Unofficial news, but it is news. First, for Windows 8, more and more, it is possible that we'll have Update 2 coming up in August of this year. What we know about Update 2 is that the start menu is going to come back, a real start menu, like we had in earlier versions of Windows. It wasn't sure if it would come back in that update, first of all, but more and more information seems to come out that this start menu will be back. So that's good news for anyone that misses that famous start menu in Windows 8. It also will help a lot for people that practically use only the desktop mode in Windows 8. So that's sure. As for the floating tiles of apps on the start screen or the desktop, that apparently is not a feature that will be in Update 2. It is apparently a feature of Windows 9. We are starting to have a few hints of Windows 9 release dates possibility. One thing that we know, Microsoft is planning to have a release preview free of charge for download to anyone who will want to try out Windows 9 when it comes out, before it comes out actually. So they are going to keep the same pace that we had with Vista 7 and 8, where we had previews about 6 months before the release date. Where we're not sure exactly when that's going to happen is the big problem. Some people say in spring 2015. Some other people say September or October of 2015. We're not really sure. A lot of people were mentioning that Windows 9 should come out early 2015. Obviously, it's delayed because the release preview is now stated for early 2015. We're not really sure if that information is true because a lot of errors were in the text, and we're not really sure where it comes from either. But we know that one of the users that actually posted that information often has good information about Microsoft news. And so that's why we're probably going to see a release preview somewhere early 2015 probably. Windows 9, not much more information. One thing's for sure is that we are still in that modern interface. So if you don't like the start screen in Windows 8, well, I'm sorry, the start screen is here to stay. It will be there in Windows 9, and Microsoft did say they're not backing. They're not going back. They're not going to stop doing it. You got to get used to that start screen. It's going to be there, and it's going to stay there. What we know is that the release of Windows 9 will be pretty much synchronized on all devices, Windows Phone, PCs, and tablets. So, and another surprise is that there should be a Windows 9 preview for Windows Phone. So if anyone wants to try it on their phones, probably not all phones will be able to run it, but you'll be able to try the preview version on your phone, which is quite interesting. And finally, we know that Windows 9 should actually have the desktop still there. We should have a real start menu, and we will have something that I think will be really interesting is the possibility of having the start modern UI apps run on the desktop. That's something that is not possible in Windows 8 right now, and I think it's something that would be interesting because you could run the modern apps on a desktop in a floating window while you're doing something else on your desktop, and I think that's very interesting for a feature. So that's pretty much what we know as of late May 2014. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? We have lots of videos, and by subscribing, you will be informed every time new videos are posted on the YouTube channel. If you have any comments, questions, maybe you have a Windows 8 feature you'd like us to talk about, why not ask? And hopefully, you will come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.